welcome to our Sounds of Summer concert tonight. I'm First Alert Meteorologist Eric Davis. I'm the MC for tonight, and I gotta tell you, I picked the right night, didn't I? Beautiful weather. Thank you, Mother Nature. What a night. It's actually not too hot, not too humid. We got the perfect weather. We also have the perfect band tonight. Before we get started, I want to remind you a couple of things we've got behind you. We've got some vendors right there. You want some ice cream or some great barbecue? It's right behind you. And also a reminder, you can go to our WECT table. You can register for some great prizes that we have. We'll be drawing for some of those prizes around intermission. So if you have a chance, go ahead and visit the WECT table. And the band tonight is a great one too. The band is called The Other Guys. They've got a great mix of music for you tonight that I hope you're going to enjoy. So without further ado, let's give a big hand for The Other Guys.